Welcome to another squat mistake video. So this one is about sticking your butt out in the squat. This is also called a good morning squat. People are doing it on accident, so we want to fix it. So how do we do that? If you record your squat straight from the side, if you line up with the barbell, ideally, if you attached a marker, it should draw a line straight up and down, or pretty close to straight up and down. The further away from the middle of your foot that barbell gets, the more strain and stress is going to be shifted to your low back. In the case of a good morning squat, you can see that the barbell is drawing a line that kind of hooks forward and our butt sticks out behind us. This could be for a couple of different reasons. Number one, it could be you're just not doing the right thing in the squat. So maybe you think that you need to sit your butt out behind you to sit back onto a chair. That is not how you would want to be squatting. So what you could imagine is breaking with your knees and your hips at the same time. What that looks like is your knees and your hips would unlock at the same time and start the movement. When somebody sticks their butt out behind them in a squat, they just break with their hips first and their butt goes flying way behind them. So you could try just that cue to see if you can perform that any better. The second reason is possibly limited ankle mobility. If your ankle is unable to bend, allowing your knees to track forward in a squat, it forces your hips behind you. And so you don't really have a choice. So how do we fix that? So you could go through our ankle mobility drills in our ankle mobility video, or you could try and place plates right underneath your heels, and that's gonna basically give you artificial dorsiflexion. It's gonna make it seem like your ankle doesn't have to bend as far for your knee to track forward. As you can see here, when I put those plates beneath my heels, I can drop my hips between my heels basically and travel in more of a straight up and down bar path. That can be useful, but we do kind of want to get to the root of the issue. So I would encourage you going through that ankle mobility video. You can test your ankle mobility by putting your hand in between your toes and a door or a wall and seeing if your knee will glide forward to touch that door. If you find that your tripod foot or your arch collapses, that's a failed test. Or if your heel comes off the floor during that test, that's a failed test. That's how you would fix that mistake. Think about breaking with your hips and your knees at the same time and work on your ankle mobility. You can do that by improving your ankle mobility or by throwing plates or squat shoes beneath your heels. That's going to help you move a little bit better. Let us know your thoughts and questions. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button. Smash it. And we'll talk to you soon. Smash the like button. Subscribe. You know what to do. Smash it. Smash it. Come on. Smash it.